Welcome back to Center Stage. We'll once again join the Chalo Gujarat World Gujarati Conference kickoff in New Brunswick, New Jersey. Let's take a look.
This is not affiliated with any political party. We do remain bipartisan. We would stick to that. But an elected official being denied visa was something that we took it to heart. As I said, Aina only believes in doing things which make a great impact, which makes history. જે થીમ છે અથવા ટાઇટલ છે ચાલો ગુજરાતનું is we have made it a little broader. Gujarat, Gujarati, Gujaratism. So a lot of things that you'll see will be based on these three things. Obviously it's a 3-day program, so 3 days, 3 dimensions, 3rd edition. This is the 3rd Chalo Gujarat. Kencho, is it a greeting, a question of somebody else's well-being, or both? One of the most wonderful greeting that I think that's there. And Aina has taken this to try its best to make Kencho a global greeting. And so, once again I ask all of you, Kencho. As I said, Madison Square Garden was flooded. Dwarkadish Mandirna, if you remember, Pira case were flooded all over, and whole Madison Square Garden was there with Jai Sri Krishna KC. I think Pankaj Bhai Sheth is here somewhere. I'd like to thank you also. 2006, the first time when we decided to do Chalo Gujarat, again people thought that we were crazy. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's what we'll be talking about. Culture connect, tradition connect, generation connect, business connect, heritage connect, spiritual connect, and art connect. આ 7 સબ્જેક્ટને લઈને તમને જુદી જુદી જગ્યાએ on the venue you will see various things happening.
જે ધરતી નરસૈયાની કરતાલો પર ઝૂમી આએ ધરતી છે ગાંધીજી સરદાર પટેલે જન્મ લઈને આ ધરતીને ચૂમી.
Summarize. Here is what we have.
Business approach that makes us such a global platform. Our represents Chalo Gujarat 2012. 2012. Live, believe, glorify, celebrate. Gujarat, Gujarati, Gujaratism, Chalo Gujarat. And share their experience. Events attended by 80,000 visitors in past 2 years. 9,000 visitors had to go back. 9 long queue to enter the venue. Over 1,000 overseas attendees from Asia, Europe, Australia, Africa. Chalo Gujarat 2012, celebrating the colors of Gujarat. Celebrity performances, spiritual discourses, cultural shows, virtual, international property show, seminars and conferences, poetry and literature, youth events, Miss Gujarat USA, knowledge exchange, business news. Kaleidoscope, virtual tour to Gujarat, backstage views of venues, virtual shows, laser show. Chalo Gujarat 2012, a global movement to be a proud Gujarati. A movement, not just an initiative. A movement, not just for ourselves, but for our generations to come. A movement to be a proud Gujarati. Come, let's participate and make this movement a virtual success. Chalo Gujarat. Tour was organized 1st and 2nd September.
We are very fortunate, and I do thank all of them for being what they are. Ajay, I don't know how many events does a Sudhir Vaishnav visit, especially driving all the way that he did from Long Island. Kiran Desai, busy in Raj, has a township meeting, cancels it. I ask for your support, I beg for your support. Please come forward. જ્યાં ભૂલ થાય to any of us volunteers, વડીલો છો, કાન પટ્ટી પકડી, tell us that this is how it should happen. We'll make sure that it will happen.
We'll now hear from community leaders who were present at the kickoff.
I think it's a fantastic presentation, and I was there at least for some time, and I think it is something to be proud of. Even though I'm not from Gujarat, I think people call me Upendra Patel. I take pride. It's not the name, it's what it is that the spirit, as Sunil said, that something about Gujarat. I was there in January of this year. I went and visited the Somnath temple, and I went to Deep, and I traveled around. I went to Sarakpur, and something very special about Gujarat. I'm glad that we're bringing Gujarat to America, because everybody cannot go to Gujarat. The way how things happen over a period of time, and the entrepreneurship, and then the Chief Minister Modi, what a wonderful, charismatic leader that he has really brought Gujarat to the world scene. And let's stick together. I think one of the messages I have is that we have to stick together, and there is so much you can do as Gujaratis and as Indian Americans. We can do so much. If only we stick together, keep our differences behind, and in public, that's all we want.
Be very brief. We have our
support you. And what can I do? I have a new night, so I will show the live in Gujarat and you will watch.
જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ. આ ચાલો ગુજરાત એટલું સુરેન્દ્રનગરથી આપણું બધાનું છે અને આપણે બધાએ આપણા માટે જ મજામાં માણવાની છે અને આપણી સંસ્કૃતિ જીવિત રાખીએ અને આપણે આપણા ભાષામાં આપણા ભાસ્કરને આપીએ એ આપણી ફરજ છે. અને આજે સુનિલભાઈ અને એમની ટીમે જે આ પ્રયત્ન કર્યા ખરેખર એ પ્રશંસનીય છે અને આપણે બધા એમને સપોર્ટ કરવો જોઈએ.
જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ, જય સ્વામિનારાયણ, જય જિનેન્દ્ર. બહુ ટૂંકમાં કહું તો આ કન્વેન્શન ચાલો ગુજરાત અહીં જે આગળ બેઠા છે એમના માટે કદાચ છે અને ન હોય તો પણ વાંધો નહીં, પણ આપણી જે સેકન્ડ જનરેશન જે અમેરિકામાં જન્મી છે એમને જો ગુજરાતનો પરિચય કરાવવો હોય તો આ એક ઉમદા તક આપણને ત્રીજી વાર મળી રહી છે. તો દરેકે આજે નક્કી કરીને જઈએ આપણે આપણા બાળકો, આપણા સગા સંબંધીના બાળકો એમને અહીંયા પ્રેરિત કરીએ, આ તો લઈ આવીએ. મારી શુભકામનાઓ અને મારા તરફથી પરમ કૃપાળુ પરમાત્મા નિકુંજના એક ભરતમાં બિરાજતા શ્રીનાથજી પ્રભુને ચરણોમાં પ્રાર્થના કરું છું કે ચાલો ગુજરાતને સંપૂર્ણ સફળતા મળે. જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ.
Chalo Gujarat 2012, a global movement to be a proud Gujarati. 31st August, 1st and 2nd September.
That's it for today's exciting episode of Center Stage, featuring the Chalo Gujarat World Gujarati Conference kickoff in New Brunswick, New Jersey. Make sure to keep your feedback coming by emailing us at cs@globosatend.com and make sure to visit us on the web at gen-i.us.com. Thank you so much for joining us. Until next time, Chalo Madiye. I'm your host, Juhi Desai. Sahara Pranam.
સોમનાથ ને દ્વારકેશ ને અંબા માને વંદન.